Need to recover data from your broken Android device? Think no further. There are a lot of ways to recover data from a broken phone. Although no one can guarantee a 100% recovery rate, most of the data can usually be recovered, depending on the damage. If your screen is broken and your touchscreen isn't working, you can just connect a mouse via OTG and use it to transfer data wirelessly to another device using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If you have a dead phone, there's no other option than to give your phone to a repair shop and ask them to retrieve your data. However, if your phone can be turned on but not operated, UltFone Android Data Recovery software can easily recover your data. Note that the software requires your device to have USB debugging turned on, or it might not detect your device. Step 1. Install and run the UltFone Android Data Recovery software on your computer and connect your device via USB cable. Step 2. Once the device is detected by the software, select the type of files you want to recover and click on Start to begin scanning. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, you can choose the files you want to recover and click on Recover to begin recovery. Download the free trial and begin recovering your Android data. Thanks for watching. For more Android and iOS tips, subscribe to the UltFone channel or go to the ultphone.com website.